Goria mugeni wito wa giteo wa muthenya wa umuthi, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, the second Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Thank you very much. Please be seated. God is good and all the time. Msalimieni kwa hewa. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Thank you very much, the Honorable Martha Karua and your family, your father, your mother, and the people of Kimunye for welcoming us here, for feeding us well, for the warm welcome. And we are indeed very, very grateful. I came with my wife, Pastor Dorcas, and several leaders. And we came here on a courtesy call to the Honorable Martha Karua, a distinguished leader of this republic, a defender of human rights, a senior counsel, an experienced public servant who has led a distinguished service to this republic. I came calling on the Iron Lady of this great country because where we are as a country, we need to reach out, to get counsel, to get advice, to pull our mights together, to put our resources together for the liberation of this great country. You all know where we are as a country. Every Kenyan is crying. The payslip holders, their payslips have been raided. They are all crying. Businesses have been shut down. There is no money in circulation. There is a lot of intolerance and depression. I was checking the other day in Nairobi, Nyamakema. 2 years ago, goodwill for a shop was 20 million. Today, all shops have closed. The shop owners are not asking for any goodwill. They just tell you, take the shop and pay us whatever you can. That is where we are as a country. And it calls upon great men and women of courage and resilience to rise up and lead the people of Kenya into liberation. Therefore, our coming here could not have been more appropriate. We have come to the right place because the Honorable Martha Karua has a great history of liberation. She has fought for the dignity of the Kenyan people. She has fought for freedoms of the Kenyan people. She has insisted on respect for human rights and good governance. It is for that reason that we came on calling. Many people may wonder because the Honorable Martha Karua and I were opponents in the last election. She was running mate to Raila Odinga, was running mate to William Ruto, and probably people thought that we cannot come together. But where we are as a country, we don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. All of us must come together, men and women of integrity and who mean well for this country. And I want to tell you, because I've left government 3 months ago, the way this country is going, there will be no country. Because the country is on downtrend in matters economy, theft of public funds, and too much corruption. And then again, intolerance and depression. Since the time of the white colonialists, brutal as they were against us, they never went for our children. This is the first time a government has gone for the children, our young people, the Gen Zs. We want to encourage our young people that they are on the right side of history. I want to affirm my children, my sons and daughters, the Gen Zs, please carry on. You are doing a good job. And don't fear. Because if you don't, there is nobody else to do it. All institutions of oversight have been compromised. The Parliament, the National Assembly, the Senate. The opposition has been neutered. And I told President William Ruto to stop crying about the agencies because it is his own creation, because nature abhors vacuum. Once you neuter the opposition, you compromise the institutions of oversight. Since nature abhors vacuum, another group will come up. And that is how our young people have come up to fill in that gap. But I want to tell the agencies that what you are doing on the smartphone is very good, and we want to encourage you and we want to say congratulations. But it is not enough. The actual transformation of this great republic will be on the ballot. The public awareness on smartphone is good, A1. But the real transformation, the final transformation of getting a good country with good leaders will be on the ballot. So I want to ask the agencies to register, to take IDs, register as voters, and come out and vote. And if they do, they'll have completed the journey for us. It is their patriotic duty to do so, to make sure they have IDs and they have registered as voters. So good people, I want to say that I'm very happy. And we have had a good conversation with the Honorable Martha Karua, and we have agreed going forward we are going to work together with other Kenyans. And I want to assure you there are many Kenyans who are looking for leadership. We'll work together with other like-minded Kenyans, patriots, people who really care for this country. And I want to say that ourselves and many leaders are prepared. That we are not scared and we cannot be intimidated. Because if we buy fear, this country will be in a very big quagmire. So I want to encourage the leaders who have accompanied me here, these great women. This young girl, Gachagua, I'm very proud of her. Very proud of her. This girl is a great leader, and she's fearless, she's articulate, and she's using the brains God gave her well for the benefit of the country. Thank you, Gachagua. The Honorable Senator Mulango, this is another great man from Kirinyaga, and we are very proud of him for the leadership that they have given to the people of Kirinyaga and the people of this region and indeed the country. And our MCA Madenge from Baragwe is a great guy. We are very happy. So for many years I was a student at Kenyaga High School, 1978 to 1983 for 6 years. And then I was a DO at Kenyaga for another 2 years, just before the Honorable Martha Karua was elected as Member of Parliament. So I know these areas, Katugora, where Ukudi Najua area is sana. And the Kishogo people, the people of Kirinyaga are great people. Do I talk it here the Muire, Utakama, Kutri Bureta Kagate? Uga there, Utumanete Muno, Ukidia Wegate? Kidia Ukia. Oguni toko nyitana na gade no ito ya ruri. Martha Karua, my elder sister. We shall benefit a lot from her counsel. We'll consult her regularly alongside other Kenyans of goodwill so that we liberate this country. So today I will leave here a very happy man that now we have a leader now that we can work together. And she has the necessary experience, the necessary courage, and she'll be able to help us. And I want to say the people of this region are not tribal at all. At all. I regard Gachagua, I'm not tribal because I supported William Ruto and he's not a Kikuyu. And 87% of the people of my kinsmen voted for him, knowing very well he's not Kikuyu. The Honorable Martha Karua supported Raila Odinga. He's not a Kikuyu. We are nationalists. We are nationalists. And it is insulting to this community for the president to go around in meetings calling us tribal. We know he is unhappy. We know he is frustrated. We know he is bitter that our people have left him. But sio sisi tulimkataa. Mimi mwenyewe nilimwambia usiguze mlima akaguza. Si ndio? I told him the people of mountain don't like betrayal. He betrayed us. I told him the people of this region hate deception. He deceived us. This problem is his own making. So frustrated as he is, bitter as he is, let him relax. Because even if he keeps on calling us tribalists, we had our own candidate called Mwaura Wahiga on the ballot. We never voted for him. Had we been tribal the way he is saying, we would not have voted for him and Raila Odinga. We would have gone to Mwaura Wahiga. So the fact that he is having a problem with the people of this region, his own creation, by cheating them, by deceiving them, by abusing them, he can't call them tribalists. We are working with all Kenyans across the country. And this community is not tribal. And if we had been tribal, he would not be president today. We would have voted for our own person, but we didn't. So tunataka kumuuliza tu atulie kidogo, atajipanga huko mbele. Hii mlima imeenda, there is nothing we can do. Mwenyewe atapanga maneno yake, aone vile ataka. As we are going to work with other people. And let me also say, much as many people are regretting the vote for President William Ruto, I don't regret. I think it was a good vote for one reason. We proved to this country that we are not tribal. And we can back anybody. We also proved that we are people of honor and we keep promises. That to me is the importance of the vote of 2022. And I can assure you today, others work with us. Nobody can isolate us. Everybody wants to work with us because we are honest people, we are people of integrity, and we are straightforward. So let you not be worried that anybody can isolate this region. We are going to work together with the rest of Kenya. And now that we are working together with the Honorable Martha Karua, it even makes us stronger as we engage the rest of Kenya. Kajuna moko de yogoya. Ora mugia de yono moke wore. Kogu de muire. Kogu ni jugen rake na muno ko agadeno ito ya ruriri. Honorable Mother, we are proud of you. And I want to say that from the bottom of my heart. Even as we were fighting, I was still admiring your leadership. I was wishing you are in our team. You know, no murahurana mudu no kawishi oko mudu tumwe no mueri. It will be better. Now that we are together, we are going to form a formidable team with the rest of Kenyans. Not just here in the mountain, with the rest of Kenyans. Even in Rift Valley, people are talking to us. They are as dissatisfied as you are. They are also being abused. I saw one of the personal assistants to the president abusing the Kipsigis people. They are as unhappy as we are. Sio nyinyi peke yenu umeitwa mademoni. Hata hawa wa Kipsigis wanalalamika. Ana hawajajengewa barabara wamedanganywa. It's not just us in the mountain who are having a problem. It's the whole of Kenya. And therefore we are going to work with the whole of Kenya. So, nyene dake na muno ni guka mushuyo na lewu uko tutigatira wa Karua. You have that we are to ikare no ko na thiko 10. And to work na tutigo ikara to tuguthie Meru, but we'll be coming here to consult our lady here. Kwa uo mwatu wona guku mukamenya tuoka guhoya ki mataro na kirira kati guo na nituguteithania. We'll work together, we'll hold each other, and we'll also look for other Kenyans so that we stay together, and when we work that way, we'll have a beautiful country. And this country has many challenges. Wiro ndungihotwo ni mundu umwe. Ni ndingihota Denyiki, Martha ndangihota ari wiki, Wamaro ndangihota ari wiki, Kalonzo ndangihota ari wiki. We need everybody, everybody. Na inywe ciana citu muthie mucire cio ibandi na cio ekura. The courts have cleared the way for IBC. Let the president now go and register and have the panel. Let us get IBC in place. There are constituencies with no representation. There are others who want to call their MPs. There are many issues that are going on, isn't it? So let the president now, let's have IBC constituted so that we start preparing for the general election in a proper manner, because the process is as important as the outcome. Thank you muno andu a nyumba itu, ni twashokia ngatho. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.